Welcome to another video on Livebox playlist. In this tutorial, let's see how to create a playlist with YouTube Play All videos. To start creating a playlist with YouTube Play All videos, first you should know how to get a playlist ID. Let's get started now. Go to your channel or any other channel you have permission to reproduce its contents and select the content that shows Play All. Let me also tell you what are Play All videos on YouTube. Play All videos are nothing but the videos created in the YouTube playlist. They are actually a mixed video tape which are organized as a single playlist. Now, select the video that you are going to add on Livebox playlist. On the link of the video, double click and select the part of the link after list equal to and copy this ID. Now go to Livebox playlist and click on the create. As you are going to create a playlist with playlist ID, click on this playlist ID option and paste the copied playlist ID here. In the same way, you can also add number of playlist ID to create your playlist. Then enter the streaming URL of your channel, and after doing all the settings, click on this play button. The playlist is created and you can see number of videos on the playlist. Now let me go to my streaming channel and check whether it is streaming. I am on the dashboard now. I am selecting my channel to preview the live streaming. So within 2 minutes I have created my playlist and also live streamed it to my channel. From Livebox streaming server, you can take your contents to several destinations like Facebook, Twitter, your other channels or any RTMP server, or even restream it live to YouTube. Well, that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.
That's my point.
How to stream on Facebook in the Livebox streaming server. Multi-channel usability is one of the features that Livebox integrates, as it helps in distributing content around the globe over multiple mediums efficiently. Through Livebox, the users can send their live streaming videos to all media that supports RTMP sources. Facebook is one such media, which is supported by Livebox to stream live videos. The following steps will provide you clear-cut representations to stream your videos in Facebook Live using Livebox streaming server. Create your channel in Livebox. Stream your source using your encoder. From the navigation menu, click Manage Channels, and under Manage Channels, select Channel Dashboard and click Play to preview your video. Now select Destinations from the channel dashboard to take you through your video to several media destinations. In Destinations, click the green plus sign icon near Push Destinations and select the destination where you want to stream your live video. A dialog box, Share On, with several destinations shows up. As you wanted to stream live on Facebook, select the Facebook option and then click Push Live Stream to Facebook to get connected to Facebook. A new Facebook page opens where you can select as per your streaming requirements and then click Next. Livebox Streamer is connected to Facebook and opens a new page, Connect your live stream to the Live API, and shows steps to be followed to start your streaming. And on the right tab, you can give descriptions to your video, set your video privacy, and your video is only to be streamed.
Welcome to this tutorial on the Livebox streaming server. So far we have seen many dimensions of the Livebox streaming server, and today let's see how to broadcast the sources to the websites or blogs using the Livebox streaming server. And here we go. Before we step into the broadcasting process, let me tell you roughly how the broadcasting happens through the Livebox streaming server. To broadcast, you will first need a Livebox server channel. And by using the RTMP URL of this streaming channel, a source has to be streamed live to the server channel. To get the RTMP URL of your streaming channel, you need to select your channel and click on this streaming URL button. And here you have your RTMP URL. So you can copy this URL and paste it in your encoder settings to start your live streaming on this channel. Then from this server channel, the source is broadcasted on the websites or blogs using an embed code of the same channel. And you will get your embed code here. You can copy the embed code or secure embed code based upon your site. That is, if your site is HTTPS or SSL encrypted, you can take this secure embed code. And if your site is not secured one, then you can copy the above embed code to broadcast on your websites or blogs. So now let's see how the broadcasting is done. And here I have streamed the content on my channel default using its RTMP URL, and I'm going to broadcast the same content on my website too. So let's go to my website and see how things are there. This is my WordPress website, and this is where I'm going to publish my live streaming content. Let me quickly go to add a content on my website. So this is where posts are supposed to be added on WordPress, and so the same in the case of broadcasting too. As you are going to embed an HTML code, in this bar you can enter the embed code of your streaming channel. So now let me go to my streaming channel to copy the embed code. So now I'm on my Livebox streaming channel where the live streaming is on. I'm clicking on this embed code and I'm going to copy this secure embed code. Let me tell the reason why I'm copying the secure embed code. So this is my site and it shows HTTPS here. If it shows HTTPS, then my site is secure. Then the broadcasting is possible only if I copy the secure embed code. So now I'm going to paste the copied secure embed code. Before that, I'm going to give a title for my broadcasting as test. I'm not just going to copy paste the embed code of my streaming channel here. Before doing that, I have to select a block called custom HTML. Only in this bar, the embed code is supposed to be pasted. I have pasted my streaming channel embed code here. And finally, I'm going to click on this publish. So it shows the status post publish. And I'm going to click on this view post. And in my website, you can also see that I have successfully broadcasted. So by following these steps, you can also come up with your broadcasting on your websites or blogs without any complexity involved. Not just for streaming alone, but for broadcasting and even to set up your own TV station, you can always be ready with one Livebox. Well, that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video. Welcome to this tutorial on the Livebox streaming server. In one of the recent tutorials, we saw how to use the queue feature for streaming. We also saw how to create queues and set presets in general. So in today's tutorial, we are going to see how to set presets in the Livebox queue feature to use GPU for live encoding and transcoding. Before we dive into this topic, let me remind you that this tutorial is only for the servers with enabled GPUs. So before you start to try this tutorial, make sure that you have enabled your server GPU. In a few cases, GPUs are fixed to the servers to minimize the CPU load. So while using GPUs in the place of CPU, you can't do the usual preset settings for encoding or transcoding through the Livebox queue feature. And before starting to encode or transcode through the queue feature, you have to configure Livebox to use the GPU for the live encoding or transcoding. So to configure your server, you have to do a few preset settings in the queue's destination. In the available presets, there are ready-made presets for GPUs. But if you want, you can also create a new preset for your server GPU. By creating one or more presets for GPU, you can share the GPU load of the server. So to create a new preset for GPU, click on this preset. In here, click on this plus icon and give a name for your new preset. Below this, we have video settings, audio settings, input options and output options. So to complete your preset creating process, you have to set these values. You can either pick right values for your preset and create a new preset, or if you just want to have the same values as your input video, you can select this copy option for all the values. And regarding codec in both the settings, it should be H.264 in video settings and AAC in audio settings. And while giving your own values, if you're not sure about the values, you can just select any of the ready-made GPU presets, give a new name and create a preset with the existing values. So once the preset is ready, you can go to the queues, create a queue, then fetch a streaming source using any of these options, and in the destination, select your destination and then set your GPU preset. Finally, add the queue to the server and have your successful live encoding or transcoding. So by following these steps, you can create your own GPU presets and configure Livebox to use the GPU for live encoding and transcoding. Well, that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on video conferencing tool in the Livebox streaming server. I hope my previous tutorials on the Livebox video conferencing had helped you in getting familiar with this tool. So today let's see a few interesting features within Livebox that are actually going to make your video conferencing even more interactive. Let's get started now. You might be video conferencing for hours and the conversation may grow a little bit dull. In order to cheer up your video conferencing mates, you can share YouTube videos as an entertainment, or even better, you can share YouTube videos as a reference or as an informative point of view in the midst of your conversation. To share YouTube videos, click on this list and select Share a YouTube video. In this dialog box, enter the URL of the YouTube video that you want to share and click on the Share button. Now the YouTube video is shared with my peers. By following these steps, you can also share YouTube videos while video conferencing. And there are other options like Open Whiteboard to share descriptive images and contents. You can draw pictures, you can paint them, and do many more activities. Not only this, you can also video chat with your video conferencing mates by clicking this icon. So with this video conferencing tool, you can be very much interactive in real time. I hope you would find this tutorial useful. For more updates on Livebox, keep checking on livebox.co.in.
ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் நித்யா. இந்த வீடியோவில் நான் எதை பற்றி ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறேன்னா, சர்வரோட ஸ்பீடை நம்ம எப்படி செக் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இப்போது இது லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வர். இப்போ நார்மலாக வேறு நிறைய சர்வர்ஸ் இருக்குது. இப்போ அந்த சர்வரோட ஸ்பீடை எப்படி செக் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, சர்வீஸை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறதை வச்சு நார்மலாக செக் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரில் என்ன ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டினா, இந்த சர்வரோட ஸ்பீட் டிரான்ஸ்பரன்சியாக இருக்கும். ஏன்னா நாங்கள் இந்த லைவ்பாக்ஸ் சர்வரோடையே பில்டின்னாக ஸ்பீட் டெஸ்ட்டுங்கிற அப்ளிகேஷனை கொடுத்துருக்குறோம். இந்த சிஸ்டம் பேஜில் போயிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்டில் இருக்கிறது அந்த ஸ்பீட் டெஸ்ட்டு. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்பீட் டெஸ்ட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சர்வரோட டவுன்லோட் ஸ்பீட் என்ன, அப்லோட் ஸ்பீட் என்னங்கிறத காமிக்கும். இது இந்த டிவைஸோட அட்ரஸ், சர்வரோட நேம். ஸோ கோங்கிற பட்டனை நம்ம கிளிக் பண்ணும்போது ப்ராக்ரஸ் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. ஸோ நம்மளோட டவுன்லோட் ஸ்பீட் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத காமிக்கும். அண்ட் தென் அப்லோட் ஸ்பீட் என்னங்கிறத காட்டுது. ஸோ இப்படி நம்ம சர்வரோட இந்த லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரோட ஸ்பீடை செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ எதுக்காக நாங்கள் இதை அட்டாச் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோன்னா, ஸோ நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஸ்ட்ரீம் பண்ணும்போது உங்களோட ஸ்ட்ரீம் நல்ல குவாலிட்டியாக இருக்கும். நமக்கு ஹை ஸ்பீட் வேணும், ப்ளஸ் லேட்டன்சி ரொம்ப லோவாக இருக்கணும். அப்போனா தான் குவாலிட்டியான ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் இந்த ஸ்பீட் டெஸ்ட்டை நாங்கள் பில்டின்னாகவே லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரில் கொடுத்துருக்குறோம். இந்த சர்வரில் இன்னொன்று என்னென்னா, சர்வரோட ஸ்பீட் மட்டுமே இல்லாமல் இப்போ வீடியோஸை ரிசீவ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ரிசீவர் பாக்ஸஸ் எந்த பிளேஸில் இருந்தாலும் சரி, அந்த ரிசீவரோட இன்டர்நெட் ஸ்பீட் எப்படி இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத கூட இந்த சர்வரில் இருந்தே நம்ம பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஸோ அதுக்கான ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸும் இந்த சர்வரில் இருக்குது. இப்போ இந்த பேஜ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சர்வீஸ் மானிட்டர் பேஜில் எல்லாமே சர்வரில் பில்டினாக இருக்கிற காம்பனன்ட்ஸ் தான். ஸோ பாருங்கள், இப்போ இந்த ஸ்பீட் டெஸ்ட் கிளையண்ட்டும் ஸ்பீட் டெஸ்ட் சர்வருமே பில்டினாகவே இந்த லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரில் இருக்குது. ஸோ நம்மளால் சர்வரோட ஸ்பீடு, அந்த ரிசீவரோட இன்டர்நெட் ஸ்பீட் எப்படி இருக்குது, அதோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது, அவைலபிலிட்டி எப்படி இருக்குங்கிறத நம்ம சர்வர்லேருந்தே செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரோட ஸ்பீட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாகவே எப்படியும் 1000 Mbps ஸ்பீட் இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் 4K ஸ்ட்ரீம் பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு ஸ்பீட் இந்த லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரில் இருக்கும். அண்ட் லேட்டன்சி ரொம்ப லோவாக இருக்குது இந்த சர்வரில். ஸோ இந்த லைவ்பாக்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் சர்வரில் இன்டர்நெட் ஸ்பீட் ரொம்ப உங்களுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்பரன்சியாக நாங்கள் கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுனால உங்களோட ஸ்ட்ரீம் நல்ல குட் குவாலிட்டியில் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.
Today I am going to teach about how to download Playout and Mixer software. Go to Account Settings and click Download. Download option for both Android and Studio show up. If you are an Android user you can download by clicking Android app. Otherwise, click Studio to download Playout, encoder and video mixer software. A new page in Livebox with options to download Playout and video mixer opens. You can click Download Playout and Video Mixer to get started with the other facet of Livebox. Click Generate PIN to get your unique PIN code to license your authorization to Playout and Mixer software. Once you click Generate PIN, a new options to generate your PIN appears, where you can click the icon Cost-Free Encoder Playout and Encoder software to get your PIN. You can even edit your generated PIN as you wish by clicking the edit icon Livebox Playout and Mixer software. Now go to your system downloads and complete the installation process of your Playout, encoder and Mixer software. The installed file will appear in your desktop. Click the Mixer and Playout file in your desktop. A new dialog box Encoder Mixer Playout opens. In Encoder Mixer Playout, you can enter your server name and give the PIN generated by Livebox, and then give Submit. You have successfully installed the Encoder Mixer Playout software. You can now get started with your Livebox Encoder Mixer Playout software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for getting upcoming videos. Visit www.livebox.co.in to know more details.
In the previous videos, we saw tutorials on Livebox playlist and ways to create a playlist with already existing YouTube videos. But now, Livebox has developed with a feature called Playout, where you can create your own playlist with your local files and stream it live to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or any other media destination. So today, I'll be doing on Livebox Playout tutorial. Welcome to this video. Now, I'm on the Livebox dashboard. From here, you can have the access to Playout by clicking on Apps from the navigation menu. Let's log in. We are now taken to the Playout interface, and let me show you how to add local files and create a playlist with it. So let's get started now. To create a playlist, first you have to upload your files on Playout. So I'm clicking on Add File and then Choose File. These are the videos with which I'm going to create my playlist. My files are now uploading and this is going to take some time. So now the files are uploaded. All my uploaded files are put together in one folder and I'm clicking on this folder. From here I'm going to do the drag and drop job. We can drag and drop all the videos or few selective videos and even have other videos for future streaming. So it's up to us. To start my playlist, I am clicking on Start Now and then Refresh Preview to preview my playlist contents. Now the playlist is created and also running successfully. In order to take through your playlist contents to several destinations, there are few more steps ahead. Go to Settings and here we have setting options for output, encoding, playouts, buffer and finally RTMP, and this is where I'm going to enter the streaming URL of my channel. After entering my streaming URL, I'm clicking on this push RTMP. Let me go to my streaming channel and check whether it is streaming. Now I'm on the Livebox dashboard. I'm selecting my channel. It shows live status and I'm clicking on preview. So my playlist contents are live streaming successfully. By following these steps, you can create your own playlist with your local files, and from Livebox streaming server, you can take it to several destinations like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or any other RTMP server. Well, that's it for now in this video.
Welcome to Livebox Tutorials, live streaming using Livebox Encoder and Playout software. Livebox is the only streaming server that comes with many inbuilt features that are all needed for the complete live streaming process. Livebox doesn't stop with streaming, transcoding, and multi-bitrate, but also performs other role plays like Playout, Video Mixer, and Encoder. Let's get started with how to stream using Playout and Encoder software provided by Livebox. Go to Mixer and Player File. Enter your server name and generated PIN to get access to Livebox Encoder Mixer Playout software. A dialog box, Encoder Mixer Playout, opens. Then go to Playout option. A Playout window opens where you click Add File to browse a video source from your PC and to add a video source in your scheduled playlist. Your video source is added. So now click Play to play your video in Playout Preview. You can preview your source and also enable and adjust the audio of your video source. Now go to Livebox Streaming Server. Create your channel in Livebox. Then go to Channel Dashboard under Manage Channels from the navigation menu. In Channel Dashboard, click Streaming URL to copy the streaming RTMP URL. Go to Encoder Mixer Playout and minimize your playout window, and then get into Encoder. A new encoder window opens where you can select your playout device and video device, and then audio device, and then enter the copied RTMP URL in the URL tab. Click Preview if you want to preview your live stream, and then give Start. Note: video device is your device from where you're taking your source to encode. An audio device is also mentioned, streaming playout device, in the illustration is the same as video device because we did enable audio settings in playout settings. Now go to Livebox and click Channel Dashboard, select your channel and click to preview your live stream in Livebox.
That's my point!
How to stream on Facebook in the Livebox streaming server. Multi-channel usability is one of the features that Livebox integrates as it helps in distributing content around the globe over multiple mediums efficiently. Through Livebox, the users can send their live streaming videos to all media that supports RTMP sources. Facebook is one such media, which is supported by Livebox to stream live videos. The following steps will provide you clear-cut representations to stream your videos in Facebook Live using Livebox Streaming Server. Create your channel in Livebox. Stream your source using your encoder. From the navigation menu, click Manage Channels, and under Manage Channels, select Channel Dashboard and click Play to preview your video. Now select Destinations from the Channel Dashboard to take you through your video to several media destinations. In Destinations, click the green plus sign icon near Push Destinations and select the destination where you want to stream your live video. A dialog box, Share On, with several destinations shows up. As you wanted to stream live on Facebook, select the Facebook option and then click Push Live Stream to Facebook to get connected to Facebook. A new Facebook page opens where you can select as per your streaming requirements and then click Next. Livebox Streamer is connected to Facebook and opens a new page, Connect your live stream to the Live API, and shows steps to be followed to start your streaming. And on the right tab, you can give descriptions to your video, set your video privacy, and your video is almost